Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Mr. Unknown, and I bring to you good music, which is friendly to the ear.
We just came out from the underground. They used to say we wouldn't make it far. Now everybody got a problem. They hating cause we are in paradise. Paradise. They hating cause we are in paradise. 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 They hating cause we are in paradise. We just came out from the underground. They used to say we wouldn't make it far. Now everybody got a problem. They hating cause we are in paradise.
I used to feel like I was overlooked. I used to be the one to not get booked. It's a feeling that I used to get from everybody in the industry. I had to make it with or without a deal. It was bad, bro. I had to walk around like every day. Hustling was the reason for my walks. This is me for real, I hope you relate. To the music ain't just not the fame.
We just came out from the underground. They used to say we wouldn't make it far. Now everybody got a problem. They hating cause we are in paradise.
I get it, I pull myself and I waited. I be on a mission, I be in position, no competition, we made it, yeah. Breaking it down, I be way taking you down. You ain't be stopping me now. And you wasn't even around. I take a lot of collusion. And you wasn't around but you losing. And you talking about me and they talking about you. And they calling you crazy my nigga. Crazy my nigga. I'm getting in no loss. I'm going in the finger cross. And we taking it all, we're taking it all. Blowing paper, sick talk. How many times did I say that you talking away? You let me down but I let you to stay. You let me down but I killed you today.
We just came out from the underground. They used to say we wouldn't make it far. Now everybody got a problem. They hating cause we are in paradise.